Hey everybody, Les from Two Guys and a Mouse here. As you can see behind me, I am standing in front of one of the Treehouse Villas at Saratoga Springs Resort and Spa in Walt Disney World, Orlando, Florida. So I'm here on a short, unscheduled family trip for a family celebration, and I figured what a better time to take some video and show all our viewers and fans what it looks like on the inside, since I didn't know myself until I just walked in. So let's go in and take a look. All right, so we're staying in 752, and the number doesn't really matter because they're all the same layout and the same footprint. So let's go up and we'll take a look. There is an outdoor patio area. Here we have Keenan. Hi, Keenan. So there's a table with 4 chairs. There is a bench that is buried underneath all of our personal stuff. These houses are up on stilts, and you can see it's kind of far down. Lots of wildlife down there. We'll take a peek on the other side. And there is one off in the distance. If you look hard enough, you can probably spot the other villa. They are not that close together, which is really nice and does give you some privacy. So let's take a peek inside. All right, so when you walk in, you initially enter the general family area. And if you listen hard enough, you can hear the music that is playing on the TV. If we take a look in the closet here, right when we walked in, they do have some cleaning supplies. There is a safe, which is nice and usually is an amenity that they have in the rooms. There is a full kitchen in these villas. There is an oven, obviously a refrigerator. If I come around to the other side, there is even a dishwasher, which is very nice. And I went ahead and opened up some of the cabinets, so you can see there is some dinnerware and glassware. If we go down here, we have some mixing bowls, and over here we have some pots and pans. So we go into the first bedroom. This is with bunk beds. There is a dresser in here, some shelving, which is nice, a phone. And in case you have younglings, there is a crib in here that you can put together. And this room has its own closet, which is great. Go down the hallway, and we'll go into the next room, which is a full-size bed, I believe. Also has a phone, couple of nightstands, some windows to look outside, has its own TV, and its own closet. All right, so this is a shared bathroom in here that those 2 bedrooms and anyone sleeping in the living area, because there is a fold-out sofa and a fold-out love seat. This is their bathroom to use, so tub shower combination, obviously a toilet and a vanity. So, and if we close this door and we take a peek in here, it even has the stackable washer dryer unit, and it looks like they even gave us some laundry detergent, which is a welcome addition, since I know we forgot to bring some. All right, so headed through the kitchen. Again, I did say that this is a expandable love seat, pull-out love seat. That is a pull-out sofa. So the 2 bedrooms sleep 4 that I already showed you. That sleeps 2, that sleeps 1. And then last but not least is the master bedroom, which sleeps 2. So 9 people all together in these villas. This has its own TV, bed, a dresser, nightstands, windows looking out. Basically, the way in and out in the villas is a loop. So I came in on one side of the loop, and this is actually the back side. So this would be the way that you would go out to exit the villas. Now, what I really like about this is it has a nice big vanity, still a single vanity, but nice and big, and shower and tub I don't want to call it a combination because they are separate here. And so you open the glass door, you can step in and use the shower, and if you want, you can get in. And it looks like that's a whirlpool tub, which is very nice. And then the toilet is in a room that you can close off. So very nice. Sleeps 9. So far, I'm very impressed. I can tell that it was just clean because I can still smell the chemicals that they use to clean. It's very clean in here, and we're very much looking forward to staying here. I've only ever heard good things about the villas, so that about wraps it up. I hope you enjoyed this short episode on what the villas look like and what the floor plan is. And if you've ever stayed at the villa and you have any comments that you would like to put in the notes, please do. As always, if you like our videos, please like the video, subscribe if you haven't already, ring the notification bell so you will get notified when we make future videos, and tell your friends. So thanks again for coming along for the ride, and thanks for all your support. Take care, everybody.